how to close long on Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to close long in Bybit. So if you have long order open and you want to close your trade like this, if you want to close a long position, so the next thing to do, just go to this option now and search for the, if you scroll to down under the, so under the Bybit, so on your Bybit, if you go to this trade, so under the trade, you'll be able now just to scroll to down. If you scroll to down, before you scroll to down, now make sure you select this one. After you select this option, make sure now you are not on the trade, like you are not on the candlestick. So you are on this option, which is the price action. Under the price action, then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, here is it now. It says orders. So here you'll be able now to see all your orders. So if you want to see all your orders, you just go to this position. After you go to the position, so here you'll be able now to see all your position, as you can see now. So after you go to the position, if you want, you can just uncheck this all market button, so to see the position that are currently running. So under this position, you'll be able now to see your position. If you want to close it, just select it. After you select it, it will give you cancel button. After you tap on the cancel button, so from there you close long in the Bybit. If this video helps, like and subscribe.